This cordless device picks up hairs, wet and dry debris to keep your floors clean. It separates waste into different containers to make disposal easy. Hizero F100 combines an ergonomic and sleek design with easy-to-use features. All you need to do is fill the water tank, hold the device and walk with it. Its soft polymer roller rolls over the floor and picks up different types of waste. The brush roller then brushes the waste from the polymer roller and separates solids and liquids into different containers for later disposal. With no suction technology, the roller is flushed with clean water in real time, leaving no scratches, odors, dust, or fumes behind. This tech ensures that Hizero F100 is always ready for the next cleaning cycle. You can access the rollers, waste container, and dirty water tank in the cleaning head, and simply wash the cleaning head in the sink for maintenance. Hizero F100 provides up to 80 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Its 700 ml water tank allows you to clean more floors with fewer refills.